This video is to go over lesson 2.11 for homework packets 2C. Problem 3. Which is the hypothesis of the following statements? If two angles are congruent, then they have the same measure. So which one's the hypothesis of that? So it says if two angles are congruent, then they have the same measure. Which of the following is the hypothesis? So that should be easy. For exercise 4 through 9, draw a picture that illustrates the hypothesis, then determine whether the statement is true. So you have two things to do so far. You got to draw a picture that illustrates the hypothesis, then determine whether the statement is true. If a statement is true, give a proof. If not, give a counterexample. Counterexample is the example that against that statement to disprove that statement. So problem number 4, in a plane, two lines that are perpendicular to the same line are parallel to each other. Do you believe that? So let's draw a figure. So you have, in a plane, you have two lines that are perpendicular to the same line. Oops. So you have a line. You have two lines that is perpendicular to the first line. Then these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so this is the diagram or pictures to illustrate the hypothesis. Now, are these two lines parallel to each other? If so, write a proof. If not, write a counterexample. Number 5, a line that bisects an angle of a triangle also bisects the side that is opposite the angle. So you have triangle. So you got the angle bisector that bisects the angle. Would that also bisect the segment of the opposite? Would that be the same? If so, write a proof. If not, write a counterexample. Problem 6, equilateral quadrilaterals are equiangular. So equilateral, quadrilateral. So make a list of equilateral, quadrilateral. So equilateral means as long as you have the same size, that's what it is. So square is one of them, and there's other things that you can form quadrilateral with for segments, which is for segments equal in length. So make sure to examine not just square but also the other figures. Problem 7, if a triangle has two congruent angles, it is isosceles. Is it true or not? If it's true, write a proof. If not, write a counterexample. Problem 8, equiangular triangles are equilateral. So if you have a triangle, if these three angles are exactly the same, then that's equilateral. That will be the lengths will be the same. Yes or no? If it's yes, write a proof. Don't just say it looks like it. Well, that's actually problem 8. Problem 9, equiangular quadrilaterals are equilateral. So if that, it's pretty much the same thing as the previous problem, which is problem 8. But is it true in quadrilateral too? It's kind of related to problem number 6. So good luck.